Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's the next one. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like a Belgian bakery.
Yeah, it looks nice. Am I really filming or not? Not? Maybe. Yeah, no, it was on the other corner. But all corners lead to. It's probably innovation. Let me see how much it's gonna charge me this time.
120?
Huh? 120. Oh, yeah.
Maybe here to the right. Ah, they're free. There, I think, where the door is open, must be. Looks like toilet.
You see that?
This looks like toilet, so. No, there's a lift.
We'll have to go to another spot. That's right. Let's go.
Let's try again. Maybe it was occupied. Because the gentleman was definitely waiting for his wife to come out. Is still waiting or not? So cute. Let's just wait a bit.
Oh, that's a small one.
Here.